Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and today we're going to be using our SG Image 25mm F1.8 Autofocus APS-C lens on my Sony A5100, which is a 11-year-old mirrorless camera. Here with me today as our model is the lovely Luci. Hi Luci, how are you?
Fine, thanks, and you?
Very well, thank you, very well. It's a little bit cold out here today, but we're going to do our best. Stick around to see the results that we get with this lens-camera combination. I think you'll be surprised. So I picked up this SG Image 25mm F1.8 lens about a month ago online for under €100, which is an excellent price, as you can imagine. I have made a couple of videos using this lens, one around the area where I live and another of street travel photography in Mexico City on a recent trip. If you want to see that video, you can see it in the link up here. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start this session. Let's see what results we can get from this lens camera combination. All of the photos you see are going to be straight out of camera JPEGs, no post-processing, so that you can get a true opinion of the results that you can get from this lens. My camera is set to aperture priority. I have my aperture set to f1.8. My picture effect is portrait mode, and I set my camera to 5600 kelvins in the white balance. So thanks very much, Luci. You are a great model today. Thanks for your help.
Thanks you to take me photos.
It's a real pleasure. It's a real pleasure. Okay, well, I hope you did like the photos. I certainly enjoyed taking them, and I'm very impressed with the quality of the images which we get on a 11-year-old entry-level mirrorless camera using this budget-priced 25mm F1.8 Autofocus APS-C lens. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I always answer your comments, I always answer your questions, and interacting with my channel is a great way for me to know the kind of content that you'd like me to create in future videos. Please like and share this video with any friends, family, or social media groups that you think might also find it interesting. And subscribe to my channel for more photography-related content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. As soon as this lens becomes available on Amazon, I will also add that link to the description section. If you do decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy and Luci at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in the next videos.